Hi. What is that?
Let's see. Here are the leaves. Hey, what's happening? What's happening? Broken Ray!
Where's your toy? I can't see. Okay. How to play with that?
Okay. You press the button on the top and little bit on the round.
Is it? Can you show me? Oh.
Now let's put 2 leaves on. That's funny. That's all finished. Put your hand on.
Wow.
You see? Wait! Let's get the challenge today, guys. We need to challenge this or that. Let's make a challenge. Are you ready?
Yeah?
Any paper that dip on the sneeze duster. On the sneeze duster. Oh, let's see. Oh, it's fall down. He fall down.
Okay.
You're wrong. Extra. Next time. Next is 3.
Okay.